Welcome. Today we're going to talk about the Smyth Welding Land Roller Series, in particular the XS Series. The Smyth Welding one-of-a-kind X-Fold model comes loaded with features not found on other rollers. This video is actually shot in real time, and I felt that this was extremely important so that you can see how long it takes to expand, retract, set up, and go to work. Now, one of the things that's quite unique about this system is all of the XS series actually have adjustable scrapers for each of the rollers. They come complete with transport lighting, a fully adjustable tongue, and 2-inch wing pivot pins are all part of the standard package. What makes this model so unique is the over-center lift linkage system. There is no need for lockups on lifts or wings. With a 4-wheel monoframe design, there is virtually no tongue weight, which makes it ideal for pulling behind other implements. When folded, the XS is extremely maneuverable, which makes backing up in sharp turns a breeze. These rollers are very compact with the tongue folded upright. A 42-foot roller will sit on a 14-foot square footprint, 14 foot by 16 foot for larger models, for easy storage. Okay, let's take a quick walk around on this unit. One of the things that you should be aware of right away is that the main is a 14 foot, 12-foot mains are available, smaller sizes. 2-inch wing pivot pins, front caster wheels create down pressure, heavy duty 2-inch bearings with ductile housings. Wing lift cylinder is a 4.5-inch bore with which is trunnion mounted. Over center linkage ensures no lockups in wings and lift assembly. Main drums are 30-inch by 3/8-inch wall pipe, 7/16 thick wing drums with 5/16 reinforced end plates and 2-inch greasable pins for wing hinge. Wing cylinders are 4.5-inch by 54-inch trunnion mount. 4-inch by 28-inch raise and lower lift cylinders. What you will find with all of the Smyth Welding products is a unique product that's built to last. Smyth Welding has been in business over 50 years, and we look forward to earning the opportunity of doing business with you.